Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. My Bitcoin trade right now is negative $15,000. It's a $330,000 trade. So Bitcoin pulling back right now is put my trade in the negative. We're going to jump into the charts and we're going to see how far Bitcoin's going to pull back before it's got major supports. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people. Smash the thumbs up button. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to... I'm a little bit out of breath, I climbed. And you can see Bitcoin, the time to buy, the time to sell back in 2022, 69K, right? When it double top. You can see here, one top, two top, double top. Now, after dropping from 69,000, the time to buy was obviously 16, 17,000, which we were buying, which we made a lot of gains, which is beautiful. Now it broke out from the bottom. You can see here, back in October last year, bottomed, and then it broke out 2023. And you can see it broke out into a rising channel. I wouldn't really call it a broadening rising megaphone pattern. It's more just a rising channel. And you can see Bitcoin is just going between this channel. Now, it did break this channel. That was a very strong support. But you can see here, we have a lot of support here. Exactly where we're sitting right now, 21,500. You can see that we have a lot of support. Here, you can see this area. All these previous resistances back in 2022 and supports are also now supports here. So we have a lot of support at this area. The strongest area of support is at 20,500. So if you're going to 20,500, this area here, you can see here, this is where it's got the strongest area of support. How do you know? Because as I teach you in the crypto master courses, you can see resistance, 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 and support, resistance, 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 and support. So this area in previous, the longer time the price stays in support or resistance, the more time it stays there, the more likely that that will be a strong support and resistance. It's like the same length of time of energy that stays at that price. So this, we've got one support coming up, 21,482, which we came very close to bouncing off. That's where I wanted to go long, but the place, I'm already in a big long. That's actually in the negative now. But where I want to add a lot more to my long is at this $20,500 mark. So that's where I would be going long on Bitcoin. 20,500 would be where I would be opening longs here. And you can also take a long here on a potential bounce, because this is a support line as well. But let's go closer. Daily we're oversold, 4 hourly we're oversold, hourly we're oversold. And even though Bitcoin dropped, the volumes, look at the volume. The volume has gone down a lot. So even though it dropped, the volume has been going down. So volume is not supporting the drops. So what that means is people are not really panic selling. There's just a little bit of selling. Even this drop, it's like not so drastic. From 25 down to 22, but it's not making huge drops. So that was a good opportunity to go long at 21,482. Actually, there's a pattern there. Let's see if we can see something forming. No. Maybe if we do from here. Yeah. There we have a descending triangle, which is actually a bullish pattern. If this plays out, look, it's similar to here, right? You see that? And it's a bigger one. Beautiful. Look at that after that. So I would actually go long here from the bottom of this descending channel with a very tight stop. You seeing this? Here, guys. And then here. So I'd go long here. The base of the triangle would be the target. So here, here, which is beautiful, taking us to this resistance. So I'd go long, but on a little bit of a pullback. Let's go into the 15 minutes so we can time our trade really. Yeah, I would go long from here. Here, stop loss just underneath in case the trade goes against us and it fails. And then take profit here, this resistance. 22,590. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. So you're risking $135 to make $851. Risking $135 to make $851 with 10x leverage, that would be $8,550. 6.26 risk to reward ratio trade. The trade is opening at 21,736, stop loss at 21,600, and take profit at 22,590. That's the trade that I would take right now on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Again, risking 135 to make 851 without leverage. With 10x, it's, yeah. You can trade on Bybit. The link is down below. Smash up, thumbs up on it. I'm going to show you my trade right now on Bybit. I'm currently, this trade, if you watch me open it, it's a $328,000 Bitcoin trade. It's $15,000 in the negative right now, so quite a big trade. I need to make sure my liquidation, it's 20,540. So I need to make sure my liquidation is under supports. So I need to make sure my liquidation price is under major supports. So I want to zoom out and find out where the major support is, because I don't want to lose this trade. I want to make it bigger and bigger if Bitcoin pulls down. So the major support is here, 20,648, where we said 20,590. So that's where, so my liquidation is just underneath that. So I'm going to add a little bit more margin to this trade. I'm going to add another $5,000 to this trade. So it'll become a initial margin. So my liquidation price will become $20,193. I added another $5. So this trade is now a $40,000 trade, 20x leverage. It's a $328,000 trade, but I used $39,000 of my own money, and I want to keep adding and building this trade. I've got some buy orders down here at 20,400 as well, which is beautiful. And in this account, I've got 201,000 in here. Bitcoin 3.5, Bitcoin 18,000 USDT, 11 million MCRT. I'm going to buy some more. Actually, nothing yet. Let's see. FXS I would actually add in more, because FXS pulled back quite a bit after this Bitcoin drop. It was at $12, but most likely FXS can pull back. Yeah, there's strong support here at $7. I have $160,000 worth of FXS, or now it's a bit less. It reached $12. That's quite a big pullback. $12 to $8. It doesn't sound much, but that's quite a lot. That's around a 27% drop. But that looks very bullish, this pattern. We've got a nice bottoming formation, and we've got an inverse head, a bull flag forming here. I like this. A nice place to add a lot is at $7.60 if it gets down to there. So I'm going to put some buy orders for FXS on trade. $7.60 FXS. Beautiful. $7.60. $7.60. I'm going to add more money to this account as well. So I want to buy another. I'll buy $10,000. No, let's buy $15,000 at $7. Yep, at $7.60 buy FXS, $15,000 worth. Beautiful. So that order is sitting there now as well. That's what I think about the markets. In the next video, I'll do Ethereum, and I'll do the crypto and NASDAQ total crypto market caps. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, comment down on every video, smash up the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends on WhatsApp. Take the crypto master course, join the students in Telegram. There's around 7,500 of you discussing trading, learning all together, and learn trading and change your life. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.